Hi sa lahat! Magandang hapon, and let's continue having affixes, and this afternoon, let's have another one. Let's have magpa. That's the basic form. Magpa. You know what? I think magpa and ipa, the previous video, I think they are sisters or brothers or siblings. Well, in a way that you're having someone do something, or someone is doing something because you told them to, or you requested them to do it. And I'm going to write it down below, magpa, and its tenses, magpapa, nagpapa, and nagpa. For the future tense, let's say you're just about to leave or you're just about to go, and someone saw you. Let's say I saw you leaving, and I said, or I asked you, where are you going? Your answer is, magpapalinis ako ng kotse. Magpapalinis ako ng kotse. So, for the present tense, let's say I'm in the car wash. Nagpapa-car wash ako. I'm currently having it being done. Mama called me. Nagtataka siya kung nasaan ako. So, she called me and she asked me, nasaan ka? And I'm having my car wash done. I said, nagpapalinis ako ng kotse. Nagpapalinis ako ng kotse. Let's say, tapos na. Tapos na akong magpa-car wash. Tapos na akong magpalinis ng kotse. And I'm already in the parking lot there. Mom called me and she asked me, nasaan ka? And I said, Mama, I'm already here in the parking lot. Nagpalinis ako ng kotse. Nagpalinis ako ng kotse. Okay, so now that we got all the examples covered with all the tenses, I said earlier that ipa and magpa are like brothers and sisters. In a sense that someone is doing something because you asked them or you told them to do it for you. So, let's have examples of both present tense ng magpa and ipa. For magpa, present tense, nagpapalinis ako ng kotse. Nagpapalinis ako ng kotse. Ipinapalinis ko ang kotse. Ipinapalinis ko ang kotse. Notice something? Are you guys noticing something? Ipinapalinis ko ang kotse. Nagpapalinis ako ng kotse. Like I mentioned from one of my previous videos, like maybe over a year ago, magverbs are actor-focused verbs and inverbs are object-focused verbs. Nagpapalinis ako ng kotse. Nag, actor-focused verb. Nagpapalinis ako. So, the actor is ako. So, that means the focus of the sentence is ako. Nagpapalinis ako ng kotse. The kotse being the object, while ipinapalinis ko ang kotse, inverbs are object-focused verbs. Not me, but the object. And the object is the car, kotse. Ipinapalinis ko ang kotse. Nagpapalinis ako ng kotse. And that's it for this afternoon's video. I'm gonna go inside. It's 6:30 and it's getting dark. And check the description section sa ibaba. I'm also gonna put the explanations and examples there as well, so you guys can read it.